Hey gamers, welcome back. You have played many games, and have you ever thought about creating it, how it works, and how you can develop a game right from the beginning? Or maybe you want to develop more complex games like Fortnite, GTA 5, or Call of Duty. Well, developing game is not that easy for beginners because it needs a lot of work, 3D assets, programming language, game engine, game UI, and many more things. For a beginner, it would be a lot of confusing time at the beginning. But if you have a clear view and a roadmap which can guide you that which programming language to choose, which game engine to choose, and how you can develop a game, which assets you need and how you can find it, then game development will become as easy as drinking water. Well, not as drinking water, but still, it would be much easier than you think. So I prepared this video in which I included my 5 years of experience in game development. Well, it was very difficult for me to start game development at the beginning. It was so confusing times, but I don't want anyone else to face that confusion. So in this video, I'll make it very clear what to choose and how to go forward step by step. Let's go to the video. Game development is an exciting field that combines creativity, technology, and storytelling. But where do you start? Let's break it down. First things first, you need to understand the basics. This means learning the fundamentals of programming and game design. Well, while talking about creating game, it's not all about coding and writing code and programming and stuff. Game design is about creating virtual worlds, UI, sound effects, art, 3D and 2D assets, and many more. So creating games is not only about programming. Now that you have the basics down, it's time to choose your path. Are you more interested in programming, art, design, or sound? Each role in game development is crucial. Programmers write the code. Artists create the visuals, designers plan the gameplay, and sound engineers produce the audio. Find what excites you the most and focus on building those skills. To become proficient, you'll need to practice. Here is how you can do that. Create small projects. Start with simple games like a basic platformer or puzzle game. This helps you apply what you've learned. Join game jams. These are events where you create a game in short time, usually in 48 hours. It's a great way to learn and meet other developers. And take online courses. Well, platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer high in-depth courses on game development tools and techniques. You can find mine too. Links will be down in the description. Choosing the right tools can make a huge difference. Here are some recommendations. First, game engines. While talking about game engines, Unity and Unreal Engine are the most popular out there. Unity is great for beginners, while Unreal Engine offers high-end graphic capabilities. If you want to know more about them, you can find my full video, the difference between Unreal Engine and Unity, up there. Second, art tools. Well, as I told you, for game development, we need 2D and 3D assets as well. So for 2D assets, Photoshop and Illustrator are the best programs, and for 3D assets, Maya and Blender are the best programs that you can choose. And third, sound tools. Well, Audacity and FL Studio for audio creating will help you in your game development. To land a job or attract clients, you need a strong portfolio. So build a portfolio. Include your best projects, explain your role in each, and show your progress. Websites like GitHub, ArtStation, and personal blogs are great for showcasing your work. Networking is key in the game development industry. So network and get involved. Attend industry events, join online communities like Reddit and Discord, and connect with other developers. Networking can open doors to opportunities and collaborations. The game development field is always evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. And keep learning. follow industry news, read blogs, watch tutorials, and keep experimenting with new tools and techniques. These are the simple but complete roadmap of becoming a game developer. So you have to research in every step and follow every step carefully. That way you can reach your goals. Becoming a game developer is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. So if this roadmap helped you how to become a game developer, and now you can see clear what you have to learn or what you have to choose for your game development career, then give a thumbs up to this video and write your starting point in the comments below, and share it with your friends who also wants to become a game developer. And if you want more contents like this, just subscribe to the channel and let me know. I'll see you in the